Do you suffer from persistent neck pain? You're not alone. Many people visit me daily with the same complaint. They've tried stretching, adjusting pillows, and even replacing their mattresses. But often, there's more to it. Neck pain usually stems from structural issues that can be addressed. I'm Dr. John Brockway at Glendale Chiropractic in Denver. With over 15 years of experience, I help patients discover the underlying causes of their neck pain. Let's explore the common reasons for neck pain. Neck pain isn't just one condition, it's a symptom of various issues. The most common culprits include tech neck from poor posture, muscle strain from repetitive movements, whiplash due to accidents, and cervical radiculopathy caused by pinched nerves. Understanding the source is vital for effective treatment. So, what are the signs of neck misalignment? Patients often feel stiffness, soreness at the base of the skull, headaches originating from the neck, and even clicking or grinding sounds. If you experience dizziness or neurological symptoms, those require immediate evaluation. There are also red flags you should never ignore. Severe symptoms like sudden weakness, loss of bowel control, or persistent headaches accompanied by fever could indicate a serious condition. In these cases, it's crucial to go straight to the ER, not the chiropractor. For most mechanical neck problems, chiropractic adjustments can genuinely help. By restoring proper motion to the cervical joints, we relieve pressure from nerves and help reduce pain. Our specific areas of focus include postural neck pain, whiplash, and cervical headaches. At Glendale Chiropractic, we emphasize a personalized approach. We often start with a thorough evaluation, including history and physical exam, and may refer for imaging if necessary. Understanding your neck structure is critical for tailored treatment. Here's what you can expect on your first visit. We'll delve into your history, complete a physical examination, and discuss findings to formulate a treatment plan. It's about clarity and understanding. While waiting for your appointment, some tips can help. Apply ice followed by heat and adjust your sleeping position. Maintain good posture with screens elevated to eye level. Gentle movement exercises can also help alleviate discomfort. We're located at 425 S Cherry Street, Suite 307, Denver, Colorado. Our team is dedicated to helping you regain your neck's mobility and comfort. If your neck pain has been persistent, don't wait. A proper evaluation can uncover the root of your discomfort. Call Glendale Chiropractic at 720-889-1659 to schedule your appointment and start your journey toward relief.